Hey Team Workshop! Today I want to talk with you about how I made the switch to online education and what you can learn from it to be more productive and have more fun in your own workshops and meetings. Companies like Masterclass, Skillshare and even YouTube. No, this is not a commercial. But companies like that have made online education accessible and also of high quality. But there's one big problem with online education, and that's actually a problem I ran into myself in 2019. So in this video I will share my successes and failures around online courses, and this can help you in a number of ways. You will learn how you can make a meeting less boring in 5 minutes. If you're a trainer like me, then you will learn my approach on how to create engaging online learning experiences. Or if you're thinking about starting your own business, I will walk you through a specific online learning program that will help you to validate your business idea within 2 weeks. We just finished a last cohort of the training program last week, and the feedback doesn't lie. So are you ready? Let's go! Hi, I'm Arthur, and with workshops I help startups to launch their business ideas. And today we're doing a breakdown of an online training program I created together with the amazing team of Camp. The program is called Validationsprint, and it's a 2-week online learning program that helps startups to validate their business idea by building a prototype and talking to customers. It's a cohort-based course, which is a fancy way of saying that you start at the same time with other participants. But the special thing about it is that we have flipped the classroom. And let me show you what I mean by that. It basically comes down to this. We have a 2-week program where you do something every day. And a lot of times that means that you first watch a video, then you do an assignment. And once you've done that, we do a live workshop where you bring your questions and we help you to develop your ideas even further. And because you're with a group, you can also share insights and learn from each other. On top of that, there's also a community platform where people can ask questions anytime they want. And there is one-on-one personal coaching. And what's so great about this way of online education, and also something you can apply to your own meetings and workshops, is that it is a combination of flexibility, where people can go at their own pace, but also there is a healthy peer pressure from the group and the live program. And for us trainers or teachers, it's also way more fun, because with the recorded videos, we can create the best possible versions of our lectures. And in the time that we have with the participants, we can go really in depth on their specific questions. So this approach of asynchronous communication and live synchronous communication is not only great for training programs, but for every meeting or workshop that you have. Let me explain why. I've given a lot of in-person training and I love to approach it in a learning by doing way. The lectures are sometimes necessary to explain certain concepts, but the most valuable part is in the actual doing and getting live feedback. But when you work with a group of people, then not every participant of the training is at the same level. So you always spend more time with the lectures or the theory than you would like. And the same principle goes for meetings. Most of the times, meetings are used to talk about ideas. But the most value is of course in the actual doing. Because by taking a step, you will better learn if you're going into the right direction. And you want to use the time you have with your teammates to actually do the work instead of talking about it. And you can apply this concept of asynchronous and synchronous way of working to your own meetings like this. For example, if you have a 1-hour team update every week, record a 5 to 10 minute video where you do the actual update. Make sure people watch it. And then cut down the time of the actual meeting to 30 minutes, which you can then use for Q&A. Not only does this save everyone in a meeting a huge amount of time, but it also improves the quality of the discussions in the 30 minutes. Now, if I bring this back to the learning experience I created together with Camp, then this concept of combining asynchronous with synchronous is half of the success. And if you think about that, that's huge, right? Because by only structuring your online course or your meeting better, you will improve the value everyone gets out of it. Whew. I hope I explained this concept clearly, because it gets even better. Because if you have applied this concept a couple of times, it gets easier to apply every time. So my invitation to you is to apply this principle to one meeting in the coming week. Choose one meeting in your calendar where you're gonna give an update to another person or a group of persons. And instead of giving the update in the meeting, record a 5-minute video of yourself with a tool like Loom, for example. And share it with your colleagues before the meeting so they have a chance to take a look at it. And then see what happens in the meeting itself. My prediction is that you can finish the meeting early and can go out for a walk, but let me know in the comments down below. And if you have a business idea and want to join the Validation Sprint, then you can learn more about it at buildupcamp.com. There's a new cohort starting in May and we still have a few spots open. I would love to see you there. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.